तो बेटी कहती है मुझे तुम्हारे से ज़िंदगी में सीखना है बाप। तो मैं कहता हूँ बेटा क्या सीखना चाहती है? कहती है सब कुछ। मैंने कहा सब कुछ तो बहुत ग्रे एरिया है, तो क्या सीखना चाहती हो तुम मेरे से? थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ, सूरज आ रहा है।
जो भी चीज़ मिलती है
सीखने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ है। इतनी बड़ी दुनिया है, इतनी बड़ी कायनात है, क्या सीखना चाहती हैं आप हमारे से?
वही आंसर है अभी भी, सब कुछ जितना हो सके उतना बटोरने का।
लेकिन जितना हो सके उसे बटोरने का में से आपको जिंदगी में प्रायोरिटाइज करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ना तो किसी की जिंदगी इनफाइनाइट होती है और ना नॉलेज ऑफ एक टॉपिक को लेके लोग पीएचडी कर जाते हैं, सारी उम्र उसके बारे में जीते हैं। आप कह रहे हैं मुझे सब कुछ सीखना है, मैं कंफ्यूज हो रहा हूँ। आप अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से ठीक है, मैं जो आपसे तो आप तो वो श्री श्री रविशंकर वाली बकवास सुना रही है मुझे। उनसे जाके सीखिए ना आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग, उनका ट्रेडमार्क है ना, मेरा ट्रेडमार्क तो नहीं है आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग।
I don't know what I want to learn, but I just want to learn.
If you don't know what you want to learn, then who does? You have to make the choices in your life about what you want to learn and who you want to learn from, right? मैं सब कुछ सीखना चाहती हूँ at one level is very valid. But if you leave your life that undefined, then the world will give you undefined energy. If you want the world to give you defined energy or a measurable energy or knowledge about a particular thing, then you will have to make choices in your life on what you want to learn. ये सबसे बड़ा प्रश्न होता है।
I want to, okay, if it is so, then I want to learn how to maintain some relations or
Relations like what? With your boss? With
humans,
with human beings in general. Okay, go on. Be specific now. Start drilling this down. So you want to learn about human relations from me.
Yes.
What kind of relationships, what aspects of relationships do you want to learn from me? If you define your problem well, the answers will come very quickly. But if your questions are very
vague.
generic and vague and generalized, then your answers which you seek from the universe will also be like that. Right or wrong?
Right.
So this is one thing that humans don't understand. Most humans don't understand this. That if you seek something, be sure of what you seek. Because if you are specific in your search, or if you're focused on your search, then the universe will come and give you answers at that speed and with that aspect. I love this tree. Look at this tree. Look at this tree. What a lovely energy of the tree, right? I think it's a people tree. That one? It's a people tree.
This one, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah. So, let's come back. Human relations में प्रॉब्लम कहाँ? आपको क्या लगता है, आप सीखना चाहती हैं या मेरे रास्ते मेरे से सीख के आप दुनिया की प्रॉब्लम्स अपने थ्रू मैनिफेस्ट करके, कि यार आपको लगता है कि मेरे से ह्यूमन रिलेशंस के बारे में सीखने को बहुत कुछ है?
Yeah, because the way you converse with people, like you respect them, you respect every human, but then you have
मैं बैंड भी बहुत बजाता हूँ कुछ लोगों की।
Exactly.
हाँ, जिसको प्यार करता हूँ उसी की बैंड भी बजाता हूँ कई बार। हाँ, बट गो ऑन।
तो वही चीज़ है, लाइक जिस तरह से आपको किस तरह से ट्रीट करना है लोगों को, किस तरह से कॉन्वर्सेशंस बनाना है, किस तरह से लोगों को अप्रोच करना है, इज समथिंग दैट आई वांट टू लर्न.
You want to learn, or you think that the world should learn this from me?
The world should learn this from you because you're really good at it.
Okay. If you think the world should learn from me, and while having this conversation, I'm already recording this, should we make videos of these conversations and let them out on our platform so that the whole world can watch these videos and learn from these videos? And let this be the start of the first video blog that you thought you wanted to do with me. Is this the first video blog? Can we build on this? Your questions, my answers. you have questions, you seek knowledge. Then I asked you, what knowledge do you seek? You said you seek knowledge about human relationships.
But over there also I learned something, right? Because my answers were, my questions were very generalized. You asked me to be specific. So now I know that actually speaking about specific things is more beneficial than talking about something vague.
Generalized or vague.
Yeah.
So is this video number 1?
Maybe.
Why,
Yes.
why are you not so sure of yourself? Why is this grey area of maybe coming? Let's just sit here. Why do you think maybe? Why not? Oh yeah, this should be video 1.
I don't have an answer for that. But
Should I go and check with your neighbor's dog? If you don't have the answer, हिंदी में बोलूँ तो आपके पड़ोसी से कुत्ते से जाके पूछूँ क्या? Anyway, go on. Should this be video 1 of our father, daughter talking to each other, wanting to learn something? You seek something, I'm happy to teach you. And via you, I'm happy to teach this energy or this art to maybe millions around the world who would be watching.
having a parental figure around you actually benefits a lot, because you see people and you grow up, and that's what you learn from them, that's what you pick up from them,
Right.
which is, many people are fortunate to have them around most of the time.
Some people are not so fortunate.
Some people
However,
but they will still learn.
Okay.
So instead of learning from somebody something which might not benefit them, but which will maybe create a negative impact or a positive impact, nobody knows. But having something which is positive, which you can give out, is something which is really nice. And
Here's
people should know.
my perspective. So your first teachers in life are your parents.
Yeah.
For everybody in the universe.
Yes.
But some kids are not so fortunate because their mother dies at childbirth, or their father dies, or is not there, or is absent from the scene, mother or father. And then the second people, or the second set of people in the universe who teach you are teachers.
Yeah.
And that's why they say that you should have a guru in life.
Yes.
Because guru is not your parent, but is at the same level at which your parents are supposed to be. But your parents are personal teachers, and guru may not be a personally related teacher, but could be or should be in fact at the same pedestal as your parents. So the first lesson in life is choose your guru or your teacher very, very carefully.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, exactly. That's what I wanted to say.
I have a mother, a birth mother, and I have a cosmic mother. My cosmic mother is my guru or my teacher. There are some things, for example, I cannot ask my mother.
Yeah.
For example, even if I ask her, she won't have an answer for it. I asked her, I'm a cancer patient. As a naturalist, I want to give up my cancer medicines completely. Should I? Now my mother is my birth mother. She will think emotionally, but when she'll say, no, my mother's not like that. She said, it's your life, it's your decision. She never says no to me. But she didn't give me a clear-cut answer. Then I took the same question and I went to my cosmic mother, my teacher, my guru. Then she gave me her life experiences along with examples, saying, here are the people in my life who had cancer, who were naturalists, and blah, 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 and blah, 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 blah. No, blah, blah is not generic bullshit. She gave me specific instances. So blah, 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 blah is data, is information. And with a simple conversation with my teacher and my guru and my cosmic mother, I got the answer on whether I should give up my cancer medicines or not. So, welcome to video number 1, my dear Poppins.
Poppy.
And this is the father-daughter video series. If you want to see more of them, please put a comment in the comment section. and we will share more and more with you. If you enjoyed this, if you learned from this, if you think you want to see more of this, maybe you can ask me any questions about relationships, about life, about jobs, about XYZ. As your cosmic father, you have the right to ask me anything, just like I have a right to ask anything of my cosmic mother, even my birth mother for that matter. And somewhere between my mother, my cosmic mother, and maybe another person in my life, between these three people, I more often than not land up finding the answers to the problems of my life or the questions of my life. So here you go, audience. If you enjoyed this video series, if you watched it till the end, if you want to see more of this, leave a comment in the comment section below. Write your email. Maybe we could send them emailers of YouTube links, Facebook links, whatever, and or like a newsletter. And every time we make a video like this, we will drop an email to the person across the world, because these videos are in English.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So maybe we start this as an English video series, and tomorrow I want to learn Spanish and you want to learn French, and maybe one day I would be doing Spanish videos with you, because if I learn Spanish, maybe you would too, and if you learn French, maybe I would too, and I also want to learn German and Japanese and Chinese as well, despite the world saying, oh, corona, corona. I mean, look at the ancient art of China, look at the ancient art of India.
One of the oldest civilization is Chinese civilization.
One of the oldest civilizations. Yes, sorry to interrupt you. Go ahead.
And not only that, the culture, the background, it's interesting. And
It's interesting.
It's good to learn new cultures, because culture is not specific to boundaries. It
Right.
is like the more you explore, the more variety of cultures you can bring in, and you can shape up your own culture. You can start your own, or you can actually shape your own lifestyle with different cultures.
You know what culture I'm very intrigued about? The Tibetan and the Mayan culture. Mayan mountains are in Peru in South America. And Tibet, of course, you and me know, is India, Nepal, China, somewhere there, right?
Yeah.
So we'd come back with more, and please leave your email address and comments if you like this video and you enjoyed this video. And I'm tired holding the phone. Where is my tripod?
Also, you can ask some questions and we could talk about it.
Yeah, if people have questions in general, maybe we could pick up their questions and in our conversations try and answer their queries. That's a lovely, brilliant idea. Wow. Okay.
Perspective of two generations.
Wow, you're smarter than I thought you are.
Bye bye.
Bye.